Anyway, sorry I ran out of memory. Worked pretty good. He's in there. Hey, little buddy. There's the business center here. See it?
Yeah.
Here, stick your finger. Huh?
Who wants to see that?
Well, he seems real happy in there. Look at him. Speak to him, Trev. There he is. Hey, it worked good. I didn't have the enough memory. He went in there and the trap come down it real nice. Didn't spray. Which is good. What's happening, little buddy?
I don't get it.
He seems happy.
I don't get it.
Huh? Yeah, he doesn't want to move. Look at him. Just like froze up in there. There's his face. Want to get him out, kiss him? This is live as you and I. Yeah. Just calmed him right down, it did. Look at him. Awesome. I like that. I'd calmed him right down. I'm kind of getting sick of all these tarps, aren't you?
Yeah.
You say, boy.
What?
Huh? What do you say? We got to say for yourself. Anything? How do you think the trap worked?
No more tarps.
No more tarps.
Annoying.
Yeah, I think we eliminated the tarp thing there.
We just need more.
What's good about the Williams traps is we go let it go, we just flip it over. Alrighty.